In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable joins in Roblox. By disabling joins in Roblox, you will determine who can see your current experience and join you. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to do this, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox account. And then from here, go ahead and tap on More. Now, enter More, scroll down until you see Settings. And here is Settings. Then choose this option, Privacy and Content Restriction. Then choose this option, Visibility and Private Servers. And we have another option, Visibility here. Go ahead and tap on Visibility. And then go here, you can see Show Current Experience. Currently it is set to connections and people I follow. If you wish to go ahead and restrict, go ahead and choose No One. And now who can see your current experience and join is none. So it means no one can be able to join your current experience. So that's how you can disable joins in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.